tank locator in Newark, New Jersey. Realtor couldn't meet me at this property, but he gave me the combination lock, and he told me to do what I have to do. As you can see, they're gutting out the house. Right. Oil burner. I gotta examine all the foundation walls to see if there's any oil lines exiting out of there. And guess what? They're right here. These, my friends, these are 2 copper lines. Supply and return. And they exit out of here. Yeah, it smells like oil. Those are 2 copper lines exiting out of the walls. There could be possibly a second tank, because this is a check valve. That's a check valve, and that's a firematic valve. All right, let's go scan the property. All done inside. Tank locator.